The second thing I want to talk about is managing expenses. It's so easy, especially when your business is prospering, to find yourself loosening the purse. And a lot of people have businesses that are generating good cash flows. Let me give an example. I like speaking with examples. Do you remember a business called Nakumatt? You remember? Isn't it?
Yes.
It's unbelievable a business like Nakumatt can actually go under, because it had all of us. Everybody was shopping at Nakumatt. All the guys with the big carts were shopping at Nakumatt. But how do you explain a business like that actually went under? Cash management. Once the customer brings in cash, once the cash is in the business, you've got to manage it. And you've got to manage by making sure you have less expenses than the cash that you are getting from your customers. So that's point number 2. Point number 3 is something we call a cash flow cycle. Cash flow cycle. Cash flow cycle.
Yes.
Cash flow cycle means I get my customers pay me within, let's say, 90 days, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah.
My customers pay me within 90 days, and I pay my creditors within 30 days. What do you think is happening to the business? You're paying faster than you're receiving, isn't it?
Yes.
So as long as your business is paying faster than it's receiving, you're going to end up in a cash crunch.